Let us close our eyes gently, relax our body and mind to prepare for sitting meditation.တရားမထုတ်ပြန်ရင်စိတ်ဓာတ်အင်္ဂရေကာယအင်္ဂရေကိုပြင်ဆင်ပေါ်သွားစိတ်ရောကိုယ်ရောကိုလျှော့ချလိုက်ပါခန္ဓာရဲ့အချောတွေကိုလည်းလျှော့ချလိုက်ပါစိတ်ကိုမတင်ထားပါနဲ့ Relax your nerves and muscles from the head up to bottom. No need to force anything or no need to rush for anything right now in this present moment. Before contemplating, we should just adjust our posture in a comfortable position and mind to calm down first or relax first. Just feel the breath in and breath out. Feel your head, top of the head, until jaw. By shifting the attention towards the head, shift your attention towards the nose. Shift your attention towards the jaw. Feel your eye balls. Feel the nostrils. Feel your lips and ears. Now shift your attention towards your neck, slowly pull down the attention towards the chest, slowly pull down the attention towards the belly. Now slowly pull the attention from the belly to the hips, and from the hips to the tailbone, which is touching with the ground. Feel the spinal cord. Pull your attention from the tailbone to the hip bone and slowly pull up the attention to the belly, belly to the chest, chest to the neck, and neck to the head. body from the top of the head by pulling down the attention towards the tail, by feeling each part of the body. Say ko ngin ma ayun pyu ba. Ngin ka ni tepe naku ka ni yellow ka ni nakang ka ni nakhen ka ni main ka ni lemben ko ayun pyu ba. Tepe say ko ngin ka ni lemben thi switch ba. အချင်းယူပါမလောစေပါနဲ့စိတ်ကိုအေးအေးဆေးဆေးထားပါစိတ်ကတော့လည်းဘယ်မှာအာရုံပြုလိုက်တာလဲနောက်လည်းဖဲကနေရင်ဖဲကနေပိုင်းကနေခါကနေတင်ပါရုပ်ကိုတဖြည်းဖြည်းအာရုံကိုဆွဲချပါအာရုံပြုနေတာကိုဆွဲချပါတင်ပါရုပ်ကတော့ရေကြီးနဲ့ထိတာကိုထိရတဲ့အတိုင်းပြီးနေပါဒီခါနဲ့တင်ပါရုပ်ကနေငင်ထိအထိကိုအာရုံကိုဆွဲတယ်ပါတင်ပါရုပ်ကနေခါယုံကနေပိုင်းကနေရင်ဖဲကနေလက်ဖဲကနေမိန်ကနေနှခင်ကနေနှာခေါင်းကနေမျက်လုံးကနေနဖူးကနေငယ်ထိပ်ကိုအာယုံကိုတဖြည်းဖြည်းဆွေးတယ်ပါစိတ်ကတော့ငြိမ်ထေးတော့ရောက်တာနဲ့ပြန်မှာငြိမ်ထေးကနေတင်ပါယုတ်ထိဆွဲချပါ When you pull the attention from the tailbone to head, top of the head, again from the top of the head, pull the attention slowly, gently by taking time towards the tailbone. No need to rush, take your time. No need to jump from part to part. time to the mind to put attention properly on every part of the body. စိတ်ကိုမလောစေဘဲနဲ့အာယုံပြုဖို့အတွက်စိတ်ကိုအချိန်ပေးလိုက်ပါ Now feel the breath deeply. When you breathe in, how you are breathing in. Is it long or short? If you are breathing in long, then know that you are breathing in long. If you are breathing out long, then know that breathing out long. If you are breathing out short, then know that breathing out short. If you are breathing in short, then know that breathing in short. When you are breathing in, then how your belly is processing, how the belly is arising and vanishing. How the belly is swelling up and getting pain. Just be aware of it and be mindful of the present moment. နာတိဖြာကနေအခုလေကတော့ဘလို့ဝင်ပြီးဘလို့ထွက်နေတယ်လေဆိုတော့သိဖို့လိုပါလေနာတိဖြာကနေလေကတော့ဝင်နေဘလို့ဝင်နေတယ်လေကတော့အရှိကြီးရှုနေသလားတော့မဟုတ်အတူကြီးရှုနေသလားဆိုတော့သိဖို့လိုပါတယ်လေကတော့အရှိကြီးရှုမှန်းရင်ကိုယ်ကတော့သိနေရမယ်လေကတော့ရှုမှန်းလေကတော့အရှိကြီးရှုမှန်းနေတယ်အတူလေးရှုမှန်းရင်ကိုယ်ကတော့အတူလေးရှုမှန်းနေတာကိုသိနေရမှာပေါ့ရှုမှန်းနေတဲ့အချိန်ကကိုယ်ပိုင်ကတော့ဘယ်လိုဖြစ်နေလဲဆိုတော့သဘောပေါက်ပါလေကတော့ဝင်လိုက်တာနဲ့ဘိုက်ကတော့ဖောင်းလာတယ်လေကတော့ထွက်လိုက်တာနဲ့ဘိုက်ကတော့ပိတ်သွားတယ်ကိုသိနေလိုက်ပါ No need to rush for anything. Just relax and observe and be mindful of each breath. When you are breathing in, how you are feeling on the nostrils. When you are breathing out, how you are feeling on the nostrils. When you are breathing in, then the air gets cool. When you are breathing out, then the air gets warm. When you are breathing in, the airဝင်ပြီးမှဘယ်လိုခံစားနေတယ်လဲနာတိပြကနေထွက်လေကတော့ထွက်သွားရင်လေဘယ်လိုခံစားနေတယ်လဲဆိုတာကိုသိနေလိုက်ပါလေကတော့နာတိပြကနေဝင်အေးသွားတယ်တဲ့ပေါ်လေတိတာပေါ့လေလေကတော့ထွက်ရင်နာတိပြကနေထွက်လာရင်နွဲလေပူလေပေါ်လေတွေ့လာပါပေါ့ န စိတ်ကတော့မတိမှုမောဟနဲ့ဖုံးကွယ်ထားတဲ့အကြောင်းအာယုံနောက်လိုက်တဲ့သဘောလေးရှိကြတာပေါ့လိုက်ပြီးမှခံစားတဲ့သဘောလေးရှိကြတာပေါ့ဒီအကျင့်ကိုပြင်ပေါ်တော့တကား6ဘောအာယုံ6ဘောကို3ခါလောက်မှတ်လိုက်ပါ3ခါလောက်မှတ်ပြီးရဲမှာမူကြီးကမ္မထန်ဝင်တော်ဝင်လေပြီးထွက်တာကိုထွက်တယ်ပြီးလေမှာစိတ်ကိုအာယုံစိုက်လိုက်ပါby naturally because of the ignorant mind, the habit of the ignorant mind is to follow the senses, whatever it arises or whenever it arises, it follows it and react on each senses. To break down the habit, we should give boundary to the mind not to follow the senses, which is why we need to note it 3 times and come back to the breathing in and out exercises. It will be difficult for us for the first time to break the habit. But gradually, by practicing the exercise, we can control the mind. Controlling the mind, not to follow the sense, not to react on the senses, whatever it arises and whenever it arises. That is why each moment is important to contemplate or note down 3 times and come back to other exercises. Di lo myo ko sit ko phian po to ga do pathama khakhin ma po le da ma do nei sin nei dai let chin de akha ma de a chin ka do piat twa ma be da tamari a kaung ma na phit de ka piat twa li me sai ka do nyin tet la li me di let chin mo ga do tamari tu thang po phit de ka let chin la po to build up the samadhi or stability of the mind, we just exercise it. We just exercise the mind. Slowly, when we will have the stability of the mind, we can see the impermanent nature of the senses, the impermanent nature of the mind, the impermanent nature of the breathing in and out. When we are breathing in, then the breathing out disappears. when we are breathing out, the breathing in disappears. And by exercising the breathing out and breathing in and breathing out exercises, the mind automatically shifts to wherever the sense arises. Suppose when we are breathing in and breathing out, if any kind of sound appear, then we open our eyes. That is the reaction, what we do automatically. So the mind shifts from the exercise to the sense. This is the changing nature of the mind. Like that, either it's hearing sense, either it's sounds, thoughts, feelings, images, or sensation, the mind shifts from our own exercises. This shift, this changing nature is the impermanent nature. Say God when they try to show me that ching ma, the God chop on my iron, the God chop on my bay iron quite pom. For it now, like it at the Paul God, say God of young Twara, show me that Gani, iron now, young Twara. The young Twara the Podia, Nisa the Paul, Nisa Chelo, two, how to young Twara. I think the Google Pola is when they try to Gani, say God now like him, hands are like that. Hello, there I am. Three I am, a mere I am. He I am now. Like him, say God. When they try to Gani, jump Nida, Wole. Jump Nida, Chedagani, set the ball of Obara, Tinia. Say God, are you now like Piema when they try to go, Pian Shuman like Pian now they are not who are you now like Piema when they try to go Shuman like Pian at the Podia or Nisa the Podia. Say Legale, Union, 20 Podia Shida. Kauna to lie, Kauna to lie, take to lie, Nage to lie. Chide Bogo to lie, Machide Bogo to lie, Chide Chene, to lie, Machide Chene to lie. The Chai Chen Machai Chen, when that Chen, when Yao Chen, when they Chen have Chedega. Lai Bima, I am now Lai Bima, Kanzara, the Kanzara, the Chedega. Mere Shinira, how about a Nadia Grandma, to a bounce of Pola, like bounce of Kanzara, so he. The Hadian, when they like the Hadian, when the light, the Hadian, daughter told like the Hadian, love at the light. Idioma, Kanza Chile, young to the body up. The young the body up. Mieva, woo, so that the Pobora, Nasa Pobora. When the mind follows the thoughts. Either it's positive thoughts or negative thoughts. It reacts naturally. Either you become sad, either your mind becomes grief, either the mind becomes happy, either the mind becomes angry, irritated. These are all changing emotions which need to be understood. In 1 hour, thousands of millions of thoughts will come, will appear. And through them, thousands and millions of emotions will appear also. These all emotions and thoughts are just changing from one moment to another moment. That is why, without reacting and without judging on it, just note it 3 times and come back to the exercises. When we are noting the thoughts or mental factors, then it's Sitta Satipatthana. When we are mindful on the sensations, it's Vedana Satipatthana. When we are mindful of the body, it's Kaya Satipatthana. These all together, what is happening, changing from one moment to another moment. The Dhamma, the nature is changing from one moment to another moment. Sometimes we will feel bored to contemplate. Sometimes we will feel irritated to contemplate or tired to contemplate. This is dukkha because we are always pulling the mind to our exercises whenever it tries to get away or it tries to sleep. This is the suffering, the dukkha, or you feel tired, boredom. But this boredom or tiredness is also kind of emotions, which is also a changing nature. Dear Shumanai, စိတ်ကတော့ပြန်လွန်လိုက်ပြင်းမှဝင်နေထွက်တော့ကိုပြန်အာယုံဆိုင်လိုက်ပြင်းမှပြန်လွန်လိုက်ပြင်းမှအာယုံဆိုင်လိုက်ဆိုတော့တခါတည်းရုပ်ရည်တဲ့မှာပင်မင်းလာတာပေါ့လေပင်မင်းလာတယ်အမတို့ချင်စိတ်ဖြစ်လာတယ်ညောင်းလာတယ်ဒါဆင်းရဲလာတာစိတ်ကတော့ဆင်းရဲလာတာပေါ့ဒါဆင်းရဲလာတာဒီဆင်းရဲခြင်းလေးဖြစ်တယ်ခံစားခြင်းသဘောတရားပေါ့ခံစားတာကတော့မြင်သလားဒါဆိုမမြင်ပါဘူးဒါလည်းပြောင်းလဲနေတာပဲဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့တရားအားထုတ်တဲ့နေရာမှာတရားအားထုတ်တဲ့အချိန်စိတ်ကတော့ရှုမှန်တိုင်းဆင်းလာတယ်တရားအချင်းစီးပြီဆိုတာဖြစ်တဲ့ကဆင်းရဲခြင်းလေစိတ်ဆင်းရဲခြင်းနဲ့ပျောက်သွားတာပေါ့ ဒါဟာရင်တရားအားထုတ်တဲ့နေရာမှာမိနစ်30မိနစ်20ဆင်းရဲလာမယ်နောက်ပိုင်းဆိုရင်ဆင်းရဲခြင်းလေးပျောက်သွားပြီးမှဖြစ်တယ်ကတည်ငြိမ်လာမှာပေါ့အဆင်ပြေလာမှာပေါ့တရားကြောင့်လည်းဆင်းရဲခြင်းလေးဖြစ်တယ်ကပြောင်းလဲခြင်းသဘောတရားပေါ့လေပြောင်းလဲတဲ့သဘောတရား When you have the stability, enough stability, then you can see every object is arising and vanishing from one moment to another moment, changing from one moment to another moment. This is impermanence. Impermanent nature. But this is happening by itself, not by our force, or someone, or something, or somebody. When we breathe in and breathe out, and doing our own exercise, the mind shifts by itself whenever the sense appear. And from one sense to another sense to another sense, it roams around. When we again and again try to bring back the mind to the exercises, the when I try to show man in a chima, say Gado, I am not like that, the body shibe mele. To the one to I am not like Padwara body. Jara, I am gani, Yena, I am gani, Twira, I am gani, Nera, I am gani, Tidwira, I am now. Lai Vima, two a lulo, lining Jara. To the ball to sound in Jara. The Yemima, when I tell about my I am say in Yemima, to a lolo, say Gado, I am now like that in the body of Shira. The to the ball to sound. The two a lolo, penny the body of Chiline Kedeka. Adama Bawa, O look down how, O Pandira how. Two a lolo, penny the body of our body. How another solo dabo. To the ball to sounding. Go a look at all. When it's changing by itself from one sense to another sense to another, then it's happening by itself, not by someone or somebody, not by you or me. But by itself naturally, which is anatta, not self or non-self. We are doing our work. The mind is also doing its work.
Let the mind do its work and let us do our work. No need to force anything, just to contemplate on the present moment. Just know it only. Say garo tu po mati de say garo tu po tu alolo me. Ko garo ko alo ko. Ko alo garo shume alo. Say alo garo. Ayon now. Live ma.